Yes, hello, good evening, welcome to Popeyes. How you want? First of all, it's not good evening. It's 12 o'clock in the day, so it's good afternoon. And second of all, I want a chicken sandwich everybody talking about. Oh, what y'all talk about? Which chicken sandwich? You know, see how Popeye this? The chicken sandwich that's going crazy on social media. Oh, that you talk. We not have that. What? But I've been standing in line for 3 hours just to get the sandwich. Warm to your death. You're not here. The chicken done. But, listen here. Don't come here with your butt argument. Me not in that. Whoa, where's your customer service? Customer service? We not have that. Wow, I should have went to Chick-fil-A. So, you think me business? Galang at Chick-fil-A. I enjoy the rest of your Sunday, you hear? Enjoy the rest of your Sunday.